All right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. I wanted to give you this one from Popcaan and Chronic Law. It's called It Wid Myself. All right, so this one will be a quick one. We have a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, so let's go into this. We don't need any capo. All right, so let's start right with the chords. And we're gonna start with the bar chord. It's the F sharp minor. So you place the index finger here on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. The next chord we have to learn is the D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We move on to A. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. So we're gonna play open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And that will also be the chord progression F sharp, D, to A, to E. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and we need to have that divided into two different parts because we're gonna have a split later. So we're gonna learn it with the first chord. It's the F sharp minor. So grab that one, and one full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. That's the first part, and the second part comes with a clap right after, and then up, down, up. All right, so if you put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple rounds. So we're ready for this chord to set the strumming with it. We have one full round of the F sharp minor, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then one full on D. Then on A, we have one full round plus part 1. So that means you're going to play down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, and then down, down, up. And then you switch to E and play part 1 only, down, down, up. And that fulfills one round of this chord progression. So F sharp minor, one full round, D, one full round, A, one full round plus part 1, and E, part 1 goes like this. And so on. So very easy, guys. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.